After learning this recipe, I just want to eat pasta like this. I will start by putting 250 grams of pasta in a pan, then I will cover with water. I'll add a teaspoon of salt, a little olive oil, and then I'll let it cook. Once this is done, I will transfer the cooked pasta to a container and add a little olive oil. Now, I will chop an onion in very small pieces, this way, and then I will take to the container with the pasta. Now I will cut half red bell pepper and half green bell pepper, and then I will transfer to the container too. The color is optional, I will use these because I love the taste, but you can use others you like more. Then I will cut half a cucumber and an apple into pieces, and then put in the container. The bittersweet taste that these ingredients bring to our recipe is amazing. The result is simply amazing. Now I will stir everything very well with the help of a spatula until all the ingredients are mixed. The result will surprise you. In another container, I will add a tablespoon of mustard, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of ketchup, 3 tablespoons mayonnaise, a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and I will stir everything very well until all the spices are added. Tell me if you have any recipe for pasta, I would love to know. I'll pour the mixture I made over our recipe, spreading well. Now I'm going to stir it once more so that it all mixes up. This recipe has become routine here at home, I love it. Finally, I will add 170 grams of tuna, and then I will stir one last time, so that the ingredient adds to the rest of the recipe, this way. Now I'm going to transfer our recipe to a nicer container so we can serve. Done, this is ready our recipe. Now just serve and enjoy this delight. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Jeff Montgomery from the United States. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. People, I love this recipe. I'm sure you and all your family will like it too. I do it myself every weekend, and when I do nothing, my family loves it and asks me to do it forever. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.